Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Knife Stuff and Etc. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a very simple butterfly knife trick opening. So basically it's just my favorite type of opening with the butterfly knife trick. I'm not taking credit for coming up with this trick. It's just my favorite opening. I'm not sure where I learned it, but I'm going to come up with a new name for it. Probably just a simple butterfly knife trick. Anyways, first I'm going to tell you that you want to use the green handle when you're doing this trick. You always want to use the green handle unless you know what you're doing. Never use the red handle, that's this one. The green handle always has this on it. If you use the red handle, you will cut yourself if you have a real butterfly knife. Also, don't use a real butterfly knife to do tricks unless you really know what you're doing. Same thing with karambit, don't use a real one, or keep the sheath on it. And then you'll be safe, obviously. I don't keep the sheath on it because I'm an expert, but I would not suggest the same to you. And also, I'm not really worried about cutting my hands because I do a lot of stuff with knives and stuff. I'm really used to them. Anyways, let's get into this trick. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that's the opening, and that's the close. So it's very simple, it's just a simple opening. I'm not claiming this is very complicated or anything like that, but I will be doing complicated butterfly knife tricks in the future. You guys let me know if you want some more advanced. I'm not really sure what level you guys are on, whether you want low level, medium, or advanced butterfly knife or karambit tricks. So just put it down in the comments what you want, and I'll try to get everyone's suggestions done eventually. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, so the more suggestions you give me, the more it actually motivates me to make the videos and stuff. I love when I get comments, and I always try to comment back to them as quickly as possible. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold it with the green handle. You're going to want to flip it like that, and then flip it again, and then flip it back. So I'll show you it with my hands. You're going to want to flip it out, and then you're going to want to twist your hand back and then flip it back. That way, back. Very simple. But when you do it, you want to do it in one motion, right? I'm showing you in different motions, but you're going to want to do it in one motion. And then I'll put a slow-mo right here. So yeah, there's not really much to this butterfly knife trick today. It's just very simple opening. It's just like that and then close. But I will be showing you guys some more tricks in a later video that I'm sure you're going to want to see. Such as that one, which I call the butterfly knife vortex. If you haven't watched my karambit vortex, that's a good video too. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be doing a karambit video next. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.